In the next 10 minutes, you're going to learn enough salsa to lead your partner for an entire song, even if you're an absolute beginner. Because in salsa, there's only two things that you do. You either lead a turn or switching places. That's it. Everything else is just variations of this. We're gonna start nice and simple. Just walk. You can walk around your living room. Keep your posture. Doesn't matter if you walk forwards or backwards. Just keep the pace. And we focus on the steps because learning the step first is by far the fastest way to learn salsa. Because when you master the step first, everything else, all the hands and leading, becomes much easier. Now try to make small steps. Try not to bounce. And now notice the rhythm. Left, right, left, right, left, right. There's a stop. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll do just one step to the front and one step to the back. Front in place, back, back in place, front. Yes. 1, 2, 3. This is the Salsa Basic. Back, 6, 7. And make sure to step on the balls of the feet, especially when stepping to the back. Now there's the template here. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Notice. Left, right, left, and right, left, right. You can do the same with the back basic. Step to the back with your left. Try it with me. With the left to the back. Left, right, left with the right. Again, back basic. Left, right, left, and with the right. Now to the side. Same formula. Left, right, left to the right, right, and to the front. This is the regular basic. Usually we're dancing in front of our partner unless we change places. This is what we're going to do right now. We're gonna step to the front and then get off the line. Watch first. Going. Front, get off the line, clearing the line and stepping back on the line. Switching places. This is our partner. Now together, front and get off the line. Front, get off the line, clearing the line and step back on the line. Basic. This step is called crossbody lead. Let's do it again. Crossbody lead. Front, side, open, in place on the line and forwards. Basic. Last time and then we'll add the leading. Let's go. Front, side, open, in place, back on the line and forwards. Now the leading, we'll add the connection. We'll connect fingers to fingers, palms up. There's no grabbing, no pushing or pulling, not even moving with the music. Just relax your arms and keep them still. And first you watch, then we do it together. Getting off the line, moving forwards along the line. This is the lead and back on the line. Basic. Let's do it together. Again, get off the line before. Front, get off the line. Use both hands. Lead forwards along the line and back on the line. The leading, just moving our hands gently along the line. Let's go again. Crossbody lead. Front. Side open, leading on 5, forwards and back on the line. Now, last time, and then we'll do the turns. Let's go. Get off the line. Front, side open, leading forwards on 5, back on the line. Now the turn. We use the right hand. We're gonna raise our hand on 2, 3, and we're gonna turn on 5. Leading the turn on 5, down on 7. First watch. Raise 2, 3, over the head and down. Again, raise It's only with the fingers, over the head and down. Notice the elbow. Elbow goes out, over the head on 5 and down on 7. Basic. Now let's change positions, change places. Crossbow the lead, get the other hand, get off the line. And now we'll do the turn. Let's go. Raise, 2, 3, use only your fingers, over the head and down, basic. Now let's do just a back basic. Just relax in front of your partner, back, 2, 3. Now a side basic, to the side, just enjoy the music. With your partner you can smile. And now a basic with a turn, raise, 2, 3. Now a back basic with a turn, go to the back, raise, 3, over the head and down. Now let's do switching places, crossbow the lead, 3 times in a row. Let's go. Front, side open, leading forwards in 5. Second time, no basic. Front, side open, leading forwards. And back on the line again. Front, side open, leading forwards. And basic. Yeah, this is salsa. Everything is combinations and variations of the turn and changing places. You can play with it. Let's go. Let's keep on playing with it. Ask for the other hand, your left. Now lead the turn only with your left. Raise, 3, over the head and down. Again, raise, 2, 3, over the head and down. Now basic. Now we'll do a crossbow the lead, change positions and use both hands. Use both hands and now a turn with both hands. You ready? Let's go. Raise, 2, 3, raising both hands over the head and down, open again. Raise, 2, 3, lead with the fingers and down, basic. Now we're gonna play even more. Change of place with a turn, with the right. Get off the line, turn with the right, and again, off the line, turn with the right. Doing great. Now we did it with the right hand, let's do it with the left hand. Ask for the left, ask with the left. And you ready? Let's do 2 times, changing places. Crossbow the lead with a turn. Front, side open. Now lead the turns. Yeah, and down again. Get off the line and lead the turns. Yes, everything inside is just combinations of turning and switching places. Then you can play with them and actually dance an entire song. Now back basic and lead a turn with the left. Raise your hand over the head and down, basic. Connect with the other hand and now switching places with a turn using your right hand. Let's go. Basic again, connect with the other hand and now back basic and lead a turn with both hands. Back. Raise, 3, over the head and down, basic. Now, switching places and leading a turn with the left. 1, 2, 3, lead with the left and down, basic. Connect with the other hand and switching places. Now let's do a back basic and a turn with the right. So if you want to continue dancing and gain more confidence, all my content is free.